Napag-uusapan 'to sa industriya, Brian, 'no. Napansin sa mga previous movies na nilabas, Sunshine, P77, pinababa yung presyo ng local cinemas. And nakita yung resulta na ang daming tumangkilik. Ikaw bilang producer, anong thoughts mo sa ibaba yung presyo ng local cinemas para mas mahikayat yung mga kababayan nating bumalik sa sinihan?
As much as we can, I think we have to. It has to be accessible, diba? I would understand na hindi lang naman kami, hindi lang producers ang player on the theatrical, diba? So they have to weigh a lot of things. But I think we should all work together na yung sinihan maging accessible. Kasi the cheapest form of entertainment before are cinemas. Nakakapanood pa nga ako ng dalawang sinihan, isang bayad dati, diba? Noong panahon ng kabataan ko. But now, parang it becomes a privilege. So, I really hope na the entire industry would really work na maging accessible. Mas maging accessible siya. Kasi as of the moment, masakit talaga sa bulsa. So, nakita nyo naman na kapag binaba yung presyo, maraming nanonood. Diba? But alam mo, at the end of the day, it has to be abundant. It has to be na talagang pag ganyan, pag napabalik natin yung mga tao sa sinihan, pag naging accessible siya, mas magiging maraming players.
Sa POV mo ba as producer, hindi masakit yon na mababa yung presyo pero ang dami namang nanonood, o it's a win-win for you?
Sa akin kasi, again, mas maraming manood, mas better. Diba? Kasi it will compensate But hindi ko alam how they compute it on their end, diba? At kung makikita mo naman almost kung ano man ang binabayad nila, napupunta lang naman talaga sa producers around 1/3.
Yeah.
Tama. Yeah. So maraming mas malaki ang say nila than us when it comes to pricing. So we follow that and we also understand, diba? And siguro historically kasi, for example, na nagkaroon ng pandemic, so baka humabol lang sila. Nung dumating naman ako, andyan na yan, wala na tayong magagawa. That's why sa part ng producer, that's why yung conscious effort na gawin mo yung quality, kasi ganun yung singil Hindi ko mababago yung singil.
Correct.
Pero yung maglalabas ka ng 400, parang kakarapat dapat ba na maglabas ka ng 400 para sa pelikula niya. So conscious effort yun. That's why we spend also na siguraduhin na cinematic experience din, hindi sayang yung binayad. Yun lang yung sa amin. But if it becomes more accessible, that's better. Diba? But it will never stop us to create quality films pa rin.